Welcome back. Today you will listen to a calm English story. This story is for A2 level learners. It is about travel and transport. Our main character today is Mia. She is going on a trip to the mountains. Listen carefully and enjoy the journey. Story 3: A Mountain Trip with Mia. Mia is 26 years old and works in a busy city. She feels tired after many weeks of work. She wants to rest and change her daily routine. One evening, she talks with her friends. They tell her about beautiful mountains and clear lakes. They say the air is fresh and the views are amazing. They suggest going to the mountains for a short vacation. Mia likes this idea very much. She imagines calm days and quiet mornings. She decides that she needs this kind of rest. After the conversation, she searches for places online. She looks at photos of mountains and lakes. She reads about a small town called Banff. The town is in the mountains and looks very beautiful. She sees pictures of lakes, forests, and rocky peaks. The place feels peaceful and natural. Mia feels excited when she looks at the photos. She decides to book a hotel in Banff. She chooses a cozy hotel with mountain views. She books a room for several days. Her trip will be in a few weeks. After that, she tells her family and friends about her vacation. She informs her workplace about her days off. Everyone supports her decision. Mia then looks for flights. She books a plane ticket to Calgary. She also books a return ticket home. She feels relieved when everything is planned. Now she only needs to wait. The days pass slowly before the trip. Mia thinks about her vacation every day. She watches videos about mountain trips. She reads travel tips and transport information. Finally, the travel week arrives. Mia starts preparing for the trip. She takes out her suitcase. She packs light clothes for warm days. She also packs warm clothes for cool evenings. She adds comfortable shoes for walking and hiking. She packs hygiene items and personal things. She checks her documents and tickets. Everything is ready. On the day of departure, Mia wakes up early. She feels excited and a little nervous. She orders a taxi to the airport. The taxi arrives on time. She puts her suitcase in the car. The driver helps her. They drive through the city streets. Traffic is light in the morning. Mia looks out the window and thinks about the trip. Soon, they arrive at the airport. Mia pays the driver and thanks him. She takes her suitcase and goes inside. The airport is large and busy. She follows the signs to the check-in area. She waits in line calmly. When it is her turn, she checks in for her flight. She gives her suitcase to the staff. She receives her boarding pass. She feels happy and ready. After that, she goes through security. She waits in the departure lounge. People sit, talk, and drink coffee. Mia finds a seat near the window. She looks at the planes outside. She checks the time and relaxes. Soon, boarding begins. Mia walks to the gate. She shows her boarding pass. She enters the plane. She finds her seat and sits down. The plane slowly moves on the runway. Soon, it takes off. Mia looks out the window. The city becomes smaller below. The flight feels calm and smooth. After some time, the plane lands in Calgary. Mia feels excited again. She leaves the plane and goes inside the airport. She follows the signs to baggage claim. She waits for her suitcase. Soon, it arrives. She takes it and moves on. Next, she looks for a car rental desk. She wants to drive to the mountains herself. She chooses a small rental car. She signs the papers and gets the keys. She feels independent and confident. Mia puts her suitcase in the car. She starts driving toward Banff. The road is wide and clear. Soon, she sees mountains in the distance. They look tall and impressive. The closer she gets, the more beautiful the views become. She drives carefully and enjoys the scenery. After some time, she arrives in Banff. The town feels calm and welcoming. Mia finds her hotel easily. She parks the car and goes inside. At the reception, she checks in. The staff is friendly and helpful. She gets the key to her room. She goes upstairs and opens the door. The room feels warm and comfortable. She puts her suitcase on the bed. She unpacks her clothes slowly. She places everything neatly. Then she looks out the window. The view shows the mountains. The mountains look strong and peaceful. Mia feels relaxed immediately. She rests for a while after the long trip. The next days are full of adventures. Mia drives through the mountains every morning. The roads are scenic and quiet. She stops often to take photos. She visits beautiful mountain lakes. The water is clear and blue. She feels calm near the lakes. One day, she joins a guided hiking tour. The guide shows her safe mountain trails. They walk slowly through nature. Mia learns about the mountains and wildlife. She enjoys walking and breathing fresh air. Another day, she goes canoeing on a lake. She rents a canoe near the shore. She paddles slowly on the water. The mountains reflect in the lake. The moment feels magical. In the evenings, Mia returns to her hotel. She feels tired but happy. She looks at the mountains from her window. She falls asleep peacefully every night. Before leaving, Mia buys souvenirs. She chooses small gifts for her friends. She wants to share her experience with them. On her last day, she visits a park with wild animals. She sees deer and other animals from a safe distance. She feels respect for nature. After that, it is time to go home. Mia drives back to Calgary. She returns the rental car. She goes to the airport again. She checks in for her flight home. The flight back feels calm. She thinks about all the moments of the trip. When she arrives home, she feels full of energy. She feels grateful for the journey. She knows she will remember this trip for a long time. This is the end of the story. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed Mia's trip to the mountains. Travel can give us new energy and good memories. Take a moment to relax and think about your own trips. See you in the next story.